Replacing suspension components can be a challenging job, especially when dealing with compressed coil springs that store a large amount of force. Today we're reviewing the 7600 Strut Spring Compressor, a specialized automotive tool designed to help compress coil springs safely during strut assembly, suspension repairs, and spring replacement projects. But does this spring compressor provide the strength, control, and reliability needed for real automotive work? Let's find out. The 7600 Strut Spring Compressor is designed for mechanics, automotive technicians, and DIY car enthusiasts who need a reliable solution for removing and installing coil springs. Instead of using improvised methods that can be dangerous, a proper spring compressor helps hold the coil spring securely while allowing controlled compression. This tool is useful for suspension maintenance tasks such as replacing struts, shocks, springs, and other related components. Its practical design makes it a valuable addition to any automotive tool collection. Let's start with the main function of this tool. The 7600 Strut Spring Compressor is built to securely grip coil springs and provide controlled compression during suspension repairs. Its heavy-duty construction is designed to handle the pressure created by compressed springs while maintaining stability during operation. The compressor design helps distribute force evenly across the spring, reducing movement and improving control while working. For technicians who regularly service suspension systems, having a dependable spring compressor can save time and make repairs more efficient. The tool also focuses on ease of use and versatility. The compact design makes it easier to store in a toolbox or garage compared to larger suspension equipment. It is suitable for various automotive repair applications where coil spring compression is required. The strong gripping mechanism helps maintain a secure connection with the spring during compression and removal. For DIY mechanics, this type of tool provides a more professional approach compared to using unsafe alternatives. Always remember that coil springs contain significant stored energy, so proper safety procedures and manufacturer instructions should always be followed. In real-world suspension work, the 7600 Strut Spring Compressor provides the control needed for spring compression tasks. The tool helps make strut and coil spring replacement jobs more manageable by allowing gradual and controlled compression. Its sturdy construction provides confidence during automotive repairs, especially when working on common suspension components. For professional mechanics, it can improve workflow efficiency, while DIY users can benefit from having the correct equipment for suspension projects. Compared with makeshift methods, a dedicated spring compressor provides a safer and more controlled repair process when used correctly. So, is the 7600 Strut Spring Compressor worth buying? If you work on vehicle suspension systems and need a reliable tool for coil spring compression, this is a useful addition to your automotive toolkit. With features like heavy-duty construction, secure spring gripping, controlled compression, and practical portability, it provides the functionality needed for strut and spring replacement work. While this tool requires careful handling because of the high forces involved with compressed springs, using the right equipment makes suspension repairs more efficient and manageable. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or available discounts, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews of automotive tools, garage equipment, mechanic gear, and Amazon bestsellers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.